Assalamualaikum students, welcome to the FIS Math Concepts. This is Shamsa Jabeen and we are solving Cambridge IGCSE Maths Paper 2 May-June 2025 with the code 058022. Let's start the question number 13 of this paper. In this one. Okay, let's read it. See, 100 students solves a puzzle. At the table shows the information about the time taken by each student to solve the puzzle. Okay, so what is given? We have given the frequency range of the time and then the frequency. So let's see what we need to find out. Estimate the mean. We all know the formula of the mean is summation f of x divided by summation f, right? Summation f is basically given, that is 100 if you add all the frequencies. And about the x midpoint we need to find out, right? So if I make another row for the midpoint x, it is 40. I will show you for the first one. You can find the others one. 20 plus 40 divided by 2. So it will give you 60 by 2. So you get the midpoint 30. Similarly, for the next one you get 50, and for the next one you get 80. Right? Now just multiply it with frequency and we will get the answer. X bar equals to 30 multiplied by 30 plus 50 multiplied by 40 plus 80 multiplied by 30 divided by 30 plus 40 plus 100 plus 30 that will give you 100. So what we get when you guys multiply it, you get 5300 divided by 100, and at the end you get the frequency mean 53. Okay, now come to the B part. Let's read it. Complete the histogram by the information in the table. So for the histogram we have frequency density, right? So in this table again we need to draw another row of for the frequency density. Alright. So let's draw the other. I am skipping this one. Other column for the frequency density. Other row. Frequency density. And for finding frequency density, what we need to do, frequency, that is 30 divided by class width. What is width? 40 minus 20. This will give you 20. So this is the width, right? Similarly for this one, 40 is frequency and divided by its width. Width is 60 minus 40. Again you get 20. And for this one you get 30 divided by 40. So I am writing all the answers here. We get, for this one we get 0.75. This one we get 2. And for this one it is 1.25. No, 1.25, 1.5, sorry. Yes. Okay. So first one is drawn, like for the first range 20 to 40 graph is drawn. Let's try to do for the other one. For 40 to 60 we have answer 2. So 40 to 60, this one. And the fourth one, next one, 60 to 80, 60 to 100. Our answer is this. No, no, no. It is 0.75 our answer is. It is something. Yes, this one. Right? And I am trying it. This. Okay. Clear? Now let's move to the next part. 80 adults. Now the total number is 80. 80 adults solve the same puzzle as a student. The cumulative frequency, this time we have the graph of cumulative frequency shown in the information taken by the each student to solve the puzzle. Okay, so last one, in the last one they give you the frequency, in this one they give us the frequency, cumulative frequency, and we need to draw the cumulative frequency diagram. So every point is given 20 and the frequencies are given cumulative. We just need to plot them. Okay, so let's start it. At 20 value is 0, at 40 value is 12, this one. Then at 36, at 60 value is 36, something like this one. Then at 80 value is 60. At 100 value is 74. And at 80, at 120 value is 80. So the graph will become like this. Okay, now the next part is that we need to find out the cumulative frequency diagram to estimate the median. So median is midpoint, right? 40. Total is 80, so midpoint is 40. We will plot it and find the value for the 41 is. Just calculate the value for the 41 and it will comes out. And also for the next one, lower quartile. So lower quartile means again half of the half, right? So it will be this point and this point, and it will be this point and this point. No, I don't write exactly. I want to yes, so both of them comes out to be, I will give you the answer for both of them. Yes, so mean will come out. Everyone, when you guys draw it, you will check the answer. It will be estimated to be a 64 because the whole one is 70. It is middle to the left side, it is 64 and it is 48. This is clear exactly, but this you have to careful about it. Okay, now come to the question number 40. Let's read it. 0.25 as a fraction. Okay, so let's suppose x equals to 0.25 dot, right? If I multiply it with 100, I get 100x equals to 25.55, because we know that 5 is repeating. This time also multiply with 10. When you multiply it with 10, you get answer 2.55, right? Let's subtract both sides. What we get? 90x equals to 23 and x equals to 23 by 90. So this is our fraction, right? Now come to the question number 15. Write the diagram shows the graph the coordinates of point where graph crosses the x-axis. So this is our x-axis. We just need to see where our graph is crossing. So this is the point, right? Where our graph is crossing is at x equals to 2 and y equals to 0, right? Now the second equation part is write down the equation of each asymptote. We need to find out the equation for each asymptote. So these are the asymptotes. This one, that are close to our graph but never touch it. And for the y-axis, okay. Now for the y-axis, at this one, if you draw a line, it will be equal distance from the other 2 points, right? So these are the equation of asymptote. We need to find out. The first one is x equals to 0 and the second one is y equals to, what is the value of y? Minus 1, right? Okay, now let's solve this question. 2 by x minus 1 equals to 0. Multiply both sides with x. What we get? 2 minus x square minus x equals to 0. Rearrange the equation. Minus x square minus x plus 2 equals to 0. If I take the common of minus sign, what we get? X square plus x minus 2 equals to 0. Now we are using the quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? For solving it, I am writing here x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? Now substitute the values. We all know that the values of a, b and c are these. Let me tell you. This one is a, that is 1, this one is b, that is 1, and this one is c, right? So this comes out to be minus 1 plus minus square root of b square, that is 1, minus 4 a, and c is minus 2 divided by 2a. Comes out to be minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 8 divided by 2. So we get minus 1 plus minus square root of 9 divided by 2. That will give you minus 1 plus minus 3 divided by 2, and you get two answers for the x. Okay, I am writing here, but we get x equals to minus 1 plus 3 by 2, and it will give you answer 2 by 2, 1. And the other one is x equals to minus 1 minus 3 by 2. It will give you answer minus 4 by 2. That is minus 2. So we get two answers for x equals to 1 and x equals to minus 2. Students, I hope these questions are clear. We will do the next questions in the next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.